I have met Shoops before, and it's crazy because I posted like a peace sign with Shoops, not even like tagging him, and someone was like, "Is that Shoops?" And I was like, "What the fuck?" Imagine being so popular, people just recognize your hands. Like, I wish I could just do this and people like, "Oh, that's Patty's hands." This is the board we're going to be building today. So this is the Line Friends TKL. So this was designed by JJW. It's either top mount or O-ring. And there are a lot of cute things to point out on this board, and we'll just have an overview of it. There are a bunch of colors. We have the blue color, but on the website there is blue, forest green, purple, rose gold, silver, and a brown edition. So 6 different colors. Comes in both hot swap and solder, and win key or win keyless. I think default comes with a full alu plate, and then there are extra plates that you can get. So you can get an alu full plate, which is default, alu half plate, PC full plate, PC half plate, polypropylene full plate. So 5 plates, and then aside from the hot swap and solder PCB, there's also 3 different O-rings that you can get. You can get a 30, 50, or 70A. It is a custom PCB. It's really, really nice. It has all the buddies on there. Cute! So there are all the buddies. I don't know all their names by heart, but I do know that I have Coney, and this is Brown. So it does use daughterboard GST. Nice purple PCB. I think for top mount, I would highly recommend polypropylene, and if I was going O-ring, I would probably go alu half plate. So we have the different O-rings right here. This is the Line Friends TKL. This is the proto unit. You guys have probably already seen other content creators build it. This is the blue colorway in the wing keyless. You can see there's brown inside. So you have the daughter board, runs to here, cable, and then you have the 2 screws, 2, so 4 total for the back. Here's the back. So you have this nice engraving. Here's the side. Here's the USB. So you do have this Line Friends, the nice little accent piece right here, and then here is the front lid. And if you look here, so it's curvy, and then right here, also curvy. There's a lot going on with the board. And then here are the plates I was given. So I have a full alu, I have PC full, or I have a PC half. So this is in bright studio lighting. This is more like in the shade, and this is more like in bright light. So really pretty blue. So we just got new internet, and I wanted to change the name. So I told Connor to just name it something after Ginkgo. So our Wi-Fi name is now Stinky Baby. So anyone say, which Wi-Fi? We're like, it's the Stinky Baby one. And then I named my parents' Wi-Fi because I got them new internet too. And I couldn't think of a name for them, and so I named it Shiny Ball because I was like looking around, and the first thing I saw was the shiny ball that they used to play with their dog. And so I was like, okay, their Wi-Fi is now Shiny Ball, and then our Wi-Fi is Stinky Baby. No, it is Dodo related. It's Shiny Ball. It's the shiny ball Dodo plays with. So we have a Dodo and a Ginkgo related one. right. But that was the board. There are multiple mounting styles. I'm only doing one for the sake of time today. So this is the Line France TKL. It comes in 6 different colors, 5 different plates. So some things to point out with this board. This board was designed by JJW. In case you don't know who JJW is, also designed the Cloudline. Has a centered USB port. And aside from this back weight, there's also this accent piece right here, and it says Line France, and then also the little chat bubble right there. This board, it ranges from $570 to $605. So the most expensive would be the brown edition that has a special weight. If you get a hot swap, it's $605. If you get like a blue, the standard with solder, it's $570. But yeah, thank you to Mino Keys for sending this out to me and shipping it so fast. Got here from Canada in like 2 days.